copy. Salim Saab, please do us the honor of opening this and reading it. Can we have the other copies as well? Bajrangi Bhaijaan. सलीम साहब, गणेश ने आके पढ़ाया है तो थोड़ा तो कुछ उसका भी इज्जत का ख्याल कीजिए। थोड़ा हिंदी पढ़ना भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। आई कीप टेलिंग माय चिल्ड्रन हिंदी पढ़ो। विवान पढ़ेगा हिंदी। अच्छा, आप अपने बच्चे पे आए तो हिंदी? नहीं, मेरा बेटा तो पढ़ लेता है हिंदी। आप पढ़िए। दिस इज नॉट फेयर, दिस इज नॉट फेयर, दिस इज बैकफायर्ड। Are you serious? Going to read it? I asked him to read it. No, nice. He needs to read it. I'll hold it for you. Yeah.
In geography and all that. A little girl gets separated from her mother at the New Delhi train station. She cannot read, write, or speak. She is lost and helpless. She approaches.
बाप की थोड़ी स्टोरी टेलिंग डाल लो अंदर तो फायदा हो जाएगा।
She sees a man singing in the distance. He seems to have a number of followers. They fondly call him Bajrangi.
There, it's just adorable.
She approaches him for help, but since she cannot speak, he cannot figure where she is from. He realizes she is lost and hungry. He first asks if she would like some parathas to eat. She nods yes. He asks if she is from New Delhi or Gurgaon. She nods no.
Acha, ho gaya. Come on. Chalo, come. Sairo, you want to read?
No, she can't read.
Okay. You're like me?
Agastya ka. Seher, would you like to come and read as well? Come. Come on, Agastya, go for it.
He realizes she is lost and hungry. Delhi is the capital of India. Its landmarks include India Gate, Qutub Minar and Red Fort. Gurgaon in Haryana first shot to fame when Maruti Suzuki set up shop here. Many other large companies followed suit.
Now read this.
So he says, Muni, I will say the names of cities and you raise your hand when I have the right answer. Kanjur, Kanpur, Solapur, Jodhpur, Bilaspur, Dizpur. Kanpur is the largest city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the banks of the Ganga River, Ganges River.
Very good.
Now, come here.
Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is known as the city of joy. One of its many joys is the snack puchka, which is at once crunchy and liquidy. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is a popular hill station and is said to have been built over 7 hills.
Come right now. Come. We need to have women representation also, yeah? Seher?
Yeah, come, Seher. Read from here.
Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand, is located at the foothills of the Himalayas. The state is renowned for the Valley of Flowers. And eating. She offers Muni a glass of milk, but Muni just wants to go home. So Rasika said, Gandhinagar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Srinagar, no luck.
Turn it around. Whoa! Okay. Will it be now? Last page. Last page.
Last page I'll read.
Okay.
To a home in Pakistan. Watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan again and again.
And the second half of this book is coming after some time.
That's wonderful.
After Bajrangi Bhaijaan becomes a big hit. Otherwise, Sairu, no point, na?
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope you can also get your copy of Geography with Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Give it to your, the kids that you love the most. I, for one, think that it's a very proud moment for all of us in the team to know that the film has generated a wonderful book that children can read and take home, and the association can just last longer. So thank you so much for being here. Please go and watch the film tomorrow. It's really awesome, even though I say so myself. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you. Come, chalo, Vivan. Get down.
Okay, there is.
Jawab.
Okay, now we'll take some questions.